Before closing off, and a bit like what Gavin did at the end of the last podcast, I'd invite you, if there's anything else that you'd like to share prior to us closing off, Brendan, please do so. However, if not, could you provide us with a question for the next guest on the Cutting Edge podcast?
Yeah, so I think the only thing that I'd really like to share with your listeners is that, at least from an IPA perspective, is that we are pushing incredibly hard to grow our market. Not just through education, but through direct advocacy. I mentioned earlier our new Narrative Print project. Please go and check that out, because we're working hard to grow the pie. Because the biggest issue we've got is the perception of our industry and the reality of our industry. The reality, our products are digital, they're highly effective, they can be highly personalized, targeted, measurable, but the perception out there for too many consumers, business owners, and brands is that print isn't. They just don't know anymore. So make sure that you check that out and have total confidence in our industry. Keep pushing, keep fighting, because we are going to turn this around. We are going to grow our industry again. And in terms of the next question for your next guest on the podcast, I'd like to ask, do you think trade associations are still relevant?
Thank you very much.
That's a good question.
Bear that in mind. That's going to put somebody a little bit more on the spot.
Might have to prepare them ahead of time.
Yeah, I think I know who the next one is. We'd have to discuss it.
Let's see how we'll work with that one.
I'm not sure that will work. So, no, brilliant. Great question. Really appreciate your time, Brendan. Look forward to speaking to you again and seeing you again at the next events. Thanks again. Thanks, Matt.
Yep.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Cheers for being here.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.